Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk about Copilot, and I have an idea for you, something you could try. So we've been encouraging our clients to invite AI to the table, and one of the easiest and secure ways to do that is to work with Copilot. It honors the existing security in your Microsoft tenant with regard to file access as it's searching for things. So if you don't have rights to the HR folder and you're using Copilot in your environment, it will not be considering the information in that folder when it's looking for things for you. So that's one of the reasons we like that. When it comes to Word, you could ask it to give you some creative titles for an article you just wrote, or you could ask it to draft a sample letter on a specific topic and then provide a few details, or other options here. There's lots of things that you could try in Word. What about Excel? This one I had a little harder time with, but we had a client who had sent in 2 payments and no information about what invoices these 2 payments covered, and there were several open. So we got this idea. We put the open amounts in Excel, and then we put the dollar amount of the 2 amounts that we had received. And we asked Copilot which combination would add up to the first amount. And within seconds, it gave us the answer. Huge time saver. Real quick, we were done. For the second one, it wasn't quite as seamless. It didn't give us the exact answer, but came close enough that I could see the pattern, and then I was able to wrap that up. So we would echo Ethan Mollick and Darren Hardy in the following ways. Invite AI to the table. Consider it like an intern. Give it the info that you need. Let it work, and then go back and wrap it up with that human last bit touch. And that's the best way to dig in and get familiar with these tools. We'd be interested in things you've tried if you want to share that with us. Short of that, thanks for your time and hope you have a great rest of your week.